So today we're going to install the Wondering Maid Airstream air conditioner return mounts. So this is everything you'll need to do for a single unit. It comes with 2 mounts to mount directly to the camper, 2 mounts to mount to your screen, and all the hardware needed. The only thing you're going to need to do this is a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of pliers. First thing we're going to do is take off our existing vent. When we do this, we're going to keep the screws because we're going to use these to mount the camper mount back to the ceiling. We're going to retain these screws because we want to make sure that we have screws that are not going to react with the aluminum and oxidize. So we're going to go ahead and use the factory Airstream ones again. And as you can see, mine are stripped out, which is a common problem. And to help with that problem, we've included 4 little discs that we'll put in as well. Before I install that, I'm going to take a moment and just clean it up a little bit. Mount the frame. Keep in mind that the frame is directional. It has 2 prongs. You want them to face whichever way you want the prongs to face to take your vent out. I prefer to have them face the outside. So as you can see, that one is completely stripped, and that one is mostly stripped. So we're going to go ahead and tighten this up a little bit. Then I'm going to take one of my little plastic discs and screw it onto the screw as far as I can by hand. I'm going to go ahead and get all 4 of them started. So take another one of these discs and put it on this one. Now that I have all the discs on there, I'm going to tighten them up so that they're as far back as they can come to make sure that I get a good, nice, tight seal. And then I'm going to hold them with pliers and tighten them up. Another benefit of these plastic discs is they will help hold the insulation flush. So then you can go ahead and cut out this extra if you want to clean it up. Alright, now the last step is to mount our screen into the frame that holds the screen. You want to make sure that you have the notches facing the frame. And we're just going to take the 4 included screws. Screw that on. Then you simply take it, make sure you put your screen back in, filter, and make sure your prongs are facing the direction of which you've installed that for your prongs to go. Then simply just pop it in. Done. And now when you want to go to clean your filters, just pop it out, take your filter out, clean it, pop it back in, and pop it back into place. It's that simple.